I needed to run a fuel system cleaner through my Buick Encore, and I wanted the best one there is. So I picked up this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked up this fuel system cleaner here because the car's running all right, but sometimes it idles maybe just a little bit more rocky than I would like. Nothing bad, but I like running through some cleaner every now and then. But I wanted to actually pick up the best cleaner that was available on the market, regardless of price, bar none, no holds barred, open bar, pure bar, Barcelona. Anyway, listen, I picked this up because as I was doing some sleuthing on the internet, this seemed to be the best one there is. Let me tell you why. So, because you're going to spend your own money, you want the best fuel injector cleaner that money can buy. Today, I'm going to cut through the BS and get straight to the answer. It's Redline SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner. And before you think I'm getting paid to say that, I'm not. Redline, if you're listening, I accept bribes and car parts and really decadent ice cream. Now, I've used a ton of fuel cleaners in the past, and it's almost impossible to know as an average consumer if they're working or not. Most of them make big promises, have flashy bottles, but don't do jack. So let me explain at least why the evidence out there suggests Redline actually works, and it might get a little nerdy. The magic ingredient is called polyethylamine, or PEA. Now, PEA isn't just a detergent. It's apparently a high-powered cleaning agent that can survive apocalyptic temperatures, thousands of degrees, temperatures that would turn other cleaners into useless vapor. And here's the kicker, Redline packs in a 30 to 40% PEA concentration. That's one of the highest in the industry. Most other cleaners, they've got enough PEA to technically say it's there, but not enough to actually clean anything. And according to independent tests, real tests, not my cousin said it worked kind of tests, show that Redline can reduce emissions by up to 50% and clean injectors better than almost anything else on the market. Project Farm did a comparison test because that guy will literally test anything, and Redline came out on top. Mechanics on some of the Reddit forums, and Bob is the oil guy, swear by Redline for bringing engines back from the dead. On Amazon, Redline SI1 has a 4.7 star rating across thousands of reviews, and we know that Amazon reviews are where people unleash their rage about life, so 4.7 is pretty impressive. People are reporting smoother idling, better throttle response, even getting 1 to 2 more MPG, especially vehicles with over 100,000 miles. One person actually wrote, "My 98 Camry felt like it shed 10 years after one tank." Hey, that's pretty high praise. And it basically works on anything. Modern direct injection engines, check. Ethanol blends, check. Classic carbureted cars, check. It even lubricates your upper cylinders, reducing wear and tear, apparently. So you just wait until your tank is nearly empty, pour in the 15-ounce bottle, treats up to 15 gallons, fill it up with premium gas, and drive it normally for 50 to 100 miles. Get that beautiful detergent through your engine, and supposedly you'll notice smoother performance within a day or two. I will tell you, it seems to be idling smoother already. So Redline SI1 is apparently the real deal. The science says so. The high PEA concentration isn't just marketing fluff. It's got results. People are reporting actual improvements. It's versatile. It's safe for modern cars, and also won't cost you a kidney. So if your engine feels sluggish or the idle is a little rough, grab a bottle and give your car a little TLC. And because I'm a little sluggish and running a little rough, you might want to give me a little TLC too. Just let me know if you want to. Otherwise, I'll put a link to the Redline in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.